What's up, everybody? Zach here with another Home Depot Seeds program review. Today we have from Milwaukee 26-piece quarter-inch drive impact set. It comes with standard and deep sockets, 5/32 up to 9/16. It comes with two extensions, the actual 90-tooth ratchet, and a swivel socket. These sockets are, I work in a shop, so I'm used to Snap-on, Mac, that kind of thing. These sockets are basically, they're square on the bottom and circular on the top. The reason they do this is so that you can put wrenches on the sockets. It says wrench ready. I'm assuming, that's what I read. We don't really do that much in the automotive world. I mean, I can't say never, because you always run into things where you're going to do it, but if I'm using a socket, I'm using a socket. If I need a wrench, I'm using a wrench. Now they are, you can see that they say stamped. To me it looks like laser etched. Let me see how close I can get in there, that focus. I think for homeowner use every day, that's fine. If you're using them all the time and dropping them and throwing them down, I think that's going to get a little scratched up, because I don't think that's that deep. But overall, that's just really nitpicking. So you get your full set of deep, well, the mini set of deep and then standard. These are also square, so I guess they're wrench ready also. First time I've seen something like that. The socket is got some serious weight to it. It's got a flush lever on it for your, forward and reverse, or tighten, loosen, whatever you want to call it. It's 90 tooth, and what that means is that inside you can pull this out, and that's where the whole mechanism is for where, how this, you can hear that. So obviously the higher amount of teeth, the smoother it is. So you can usually tell, one of the ways you can tell a good ratchet from a crappy ratchet is how many teeth. So the less teeth there are, the larger increments it's usually going to move, and it's not going to be as smooth. This one, now this isn't a high-end, professional set, but for a 90-tooth little quarter-inch drive socket, it's pretty cool. I'm definitely glad I got it. I got one to review. Well, I was supposed to get one. They sent me two. So I may give away the other one if I get any good feedback from anybody. You have to be a subscriber to get it, and have to be somewhat close to me. I'm right outside Philadelphia, so East Coast. This also, I'm going to put this back in like that. So this tray, you can obviously store it in there, no problem. Has a little lock on it, blow molded plastic. For what it is, I think it's totally sufficient. Sorry, doing this one-handed can be a pain sometimes. You can also throw everything all over your kitchen. Just doing it up here because I gotta watch dinner while I'm doing this. I can't do it down in the shop. So what you can also do, I'll put this over here so it's not there. This tray comes out. So if you have a toolbox and you don't want to keep it in the blow molded case, which a lot of guys don't, if you have a nice box, you can just take that and lay it in one of the drawers of your box and keep it in there, keep it organized. Not bad. I don't think there's anything on the bottom. No, there's not. So you can either keep it in the tray, keep it in the case, whatever you like. I'm probably going to keep it in the case because my toolbox per se is in the garage, and I'm going to keep this down in the shop. Have a nice little socket set for incidental, quick stuff, little stuff. I won't be breaking any major things loose with it. All in all, it's a cool little kit. I'm a fan of Milwaukee. I do use a lot of their tools at work. Mostly they're battery powered. I have the 1/2-inch impact and circular saw, drill, driver, reciprocating saw, all that stuff, which I use on a daily basis. We have a commercial tire shop and truck shop. We use it all the time. I've had very good luck. I haven't used many of, this would be a first for an actual, hand tool as far as mechanics go. So I'll have to try it out. For what it is, I think it's a decent little set, and I would recommend it. Again, it's the Milwaukee 26-piece quarter-inch standard ratchet and socket set with your standard and deep sockets. Comes with two extensions and a swivel socket, along with your 90-tooth ratchet with removable tray and case. It's a good little set. Thanks, and subscribe if you want to see some more of my mostly it's tool reviews, but I do get, I don't know if you can see over there, You can see me right there. That table under the mirror, I got that from the Seeds program, and some other furniture. So I pretty much do reviews on everything that I get. I try and focus on tools, but there will be some furniture, there will be some dishwashers, washers, dryers, maybe a grill. A lot. I do mix it up. So if you like it, please subscribe. Have a good one.